Page number 55, second bit I have started that day, but I said don't do that. I will repeat you again, I said to you. What is this bit? Page number 55. They have given some numbers here. We need to write that numbers in the way of multiplication. That is 32. One example is given to you. You can see here 32. 32 you can write as 4 8s are, as well as 1 32s are, as well as 2 16s are. Like that, you need to write the number 16. So you said already to me. 16. How do you write 16? 8 2s are. Very good. One way is 8 2s are. One more way. 4 4s are. Very good. 4 4s are. 16 ones are. 16 ones are. Okay, very good. And what about 27? 27. Very good. 3 9s are. 3 9s are 27. Okay, one more. Very good. 127s are. Is there any other way? No other way. Only these two choices only are there. And next, 8, 15. What are the ways are there to write 15? Very good. 3 5s are. 15 ones are. Are there any other choices? No choices. You can write 5 3s are, but 3 5s are, 5 3s are, both are same. Okay. Arman, put off the mic and put on the video. Arman, put off the mic, sound, a lot of sound coming. All of you put on the video compulsory.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Put on the video. Next, from the other page, page number 56. In page number 56, 36. Question number 1, 36. How do you write 36?
6 6
Very good. 6 6 are 36. Very good. 36 ones are. And one more you can get it.
9
Very good. 9 4s are. Okay, the another number is 40. Very good. 4 10s are. 41s are. Very good. 5 8s are. 5 8s are. Okay. And one more. 45. 45. 45. Lovely. 5 9s are 45. Very good. And okay. 45 ones are 45. I think these both. Okay, these both only you will get. But here in the book, third page, third line is there, no. When 2 are coming, third line you write like this. Reverse you write, no problem. 9 5s are also you write. 3 boxes are given in the textbook. But we are getting 2 only. Then in the third box you write reverse also, no problem. Okay? Always don't write. If you are not getting, then in the third box you write it. Okay, and now last number it is 64. Very good. 8 8 threes are 64.
64 into 1.
Very good. 64 ones are. Any other? 8 eights are and 64 ones are. Another.
32 2s.
Very good. 32 twos are. 32 twos are also 64 will come. 32 twos are also 64. Okay, you can write these all like that. So 55, page number 55, second bit. In 55 there are 4 problems, and in the page number 56 there are 4 problems. So you can answer these all 8 problems. Okay. So you need to complete in the textbook, not now or not after completing the class.
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can watch the video once again. Those are connection problems. Any interruption is there, you can watch the video and then you can complete the homework. And you see that question number 3 in the page number 56. Question number 3 in the page number 56. Make word problems on multiplication. Make word problems on multiplication using the information provided in the pictures given below. There are 4 pictures given to you. Use the 4 pictures and then you write one question, verbal problem. You need to write one verbal problem basing on the picture. One example I can give to you. See here. Here, second one you see rice. One rice packet given and about 35 rupees given. What is the meaning of that? Second picture. What is the meaning of that? The cost of that packet is 35 rupees. Cost of one rice packet is 35 rupees. So now you need to create your own question. You need to write one own verbal problem. You need to write the own problem here basing on the picture. Here, what is the picture here? It is given as cost of one packet. Cost of one rice packet is 35 rupees. So you can write the question like that. Cost of one rice packet is 35 rupees. Then what is the cost of 25 packets? Then what is the cost of 30 packets? Anyhow you can write your question. We know the cost of one packet, then you will ask the question to find the cost of some other packets like that. So you see how we can write question here. If the cost of one packet is, if the cost of one rice packet is 35 rupees, then find the cost of 25 packets. Your wish, number your wish, you can create anyone. So you see, like this I have created the verbal question for that. Like that you also need to create the question. Can you create the questions like that? Here 4 pictures are there. First picture you see here. Children are standing in the rows. Children are standing in the row. How many children are standing in the row? First row you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In one row, 6 children are standing. You think, suppose like that 12 rows are there. You can ask the question to them. If 6 children are standing in one row, how many children are there in 12 rows? You can ask the question like that. Here in this bit you are not going to answer. You are going to write the questions. Okay, are you understanding? Here you are not going going to write the answer. Only here you are going to write the question only. Only question, not the answer. Only question with problem, verbal problem you need to write, not the answer. Like this question, if you write enough, answer no need to find. So like that for the first picture, how can you write it? If 6 children standing in one row, how many children are standing in your wish? 12 rows, or 10 rows, or 15 rows, or 5 rows. Anyhow you can write the question. So write the verbal problem, only problem. And see the third picture. What are there here? Eggs are there. In tray there are eggs. So how can you create the question? In one row there are 5 eggs. In one row there are 5 eggs. How many eggs are there in 6 rows? In one row there are 5 eggs. How many rows? How many eggs are there in 6 rows? Like that you can ask the question. Okay, only you need to write problem only, verbal problem only. And one more, last one you see here. In one group there are how many children? In one group 6 children are there. Last picture. 3 are there. So you write the question like this. In one group there are 3 children. How many children are in 4 such groups? Or 5 such groups? Or 20 such groups? Anyhow you can write the question. But you are finding here, in one group there are 3 children. So you will write the, in one group there are 3 children. The question how do you form? How many children are there in such 20 groups, or 3 groups, or 4 groups, or 5 groups? Like that your wish you can write the question. So this is the way, one example I have given to you. Like that you need to create 4 questions here. How many? 4 questions. On the first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture. Here you are not going to write the answer, only verbal problem. You are writing only verbal problem. You are not writing any answer, only verbal problem you need to write it. Okay? Okay, then you are. Okay, then next I am going to explain you how do you multiply the bigger numbers. I will explain the 2 methods to you. Listen carefully, this is most important. Because always small numbers are not there to multiply. You need to multiply bigger numbers. When you are going into the class, in every class, you are going to write the bigger number compulsory. Okay? So, first of all, we are going to learn how to multiply 3-digit number and 1-digit number. 3-digit number and 1-digit number. 476 into 8. I want to multiply this. 476 into 8. I will explain 2 methods. Watch the 2 methods carefully. After completing this class, from the video you write down in your notebook. And tomorrow onwards, we will calculate these all. Okay, listen carefully. How do you multiply 3-digit number into 1-digit number? 3-digit number into 1-digit number. So all of you put on the videos. So first, yesterday in 2-digit number I have said to you, splitting the number. We will split the number like this. 476. 476 means 470 and 6. multiply third one. So after multiplication, we will add all these answers and we will find out the final answer. First, when I multiply with 8, this is already I said to you, 8 into 400 is very easy. Only we will multiply 8 fours are, not with 400. We will multiply 8 fours are. 8 fours are 32, and we will join here 2 zeros. 8 fours are 32 and 2 zeros you will join here. Next, 8 sevens are 56 and we will join only 1 zero. 8 sevens are 56. We will join 1 zero. Next, 8 six are 48. 8 six are 48. First I am splitting the number. 476 I split as 470 and 6. Then I multiplied with the 8. 8 fours are 32 and side 2 zeros. 8 sevens are 56 and side 1 zero. 8 six are 48. Now I will add these all numbers. Add means I am not going to write in order. Simply you see here. First I will take the thousands. See how many thousands are there here. In these thousands are not there. In these thousands are not there. In these 3000s are there. 3000. Next, I will add the hundreds. I will check the hundreds. In these 200s are there. In these 500s are there. 200, 500 will be 700. After that, tens. In these no tens, in these 6 tens are there. In these 4 tens are there. 60 and 40. 60 and 40 will be 100. 60 and 40 will be 100. 100 means 100 means I am writing tens. Hundreds means where should I write? Here I should write. Already before that 700 is there. Now one more 100 you are giving means it will become 800. And tens are not there. Now last, what is left here? Ones. Ones are how many? 8. So finally what is the answer? 3808. 3808. Sakshika. Okay, and one more method. This is one method and one more method. This is like this. 476 into 8. 476 into 8. First we will multiply with 8. 8 into 1s. 1s onwards we will start. How do you do the addition? In addition and subtraction we will start from 1s, no? Like that. We will read them from 1s. You see here, 8 6 are. You know 8 6 are? 48. 8 6 are 48. But you should write only 8 here because it is 1's place only, no? 1's place only you will write here. In 10's place what is there, that you will take as carry. In 48, first I need to write 1's place only. That's why from 48, 8 I will write here. And 4 I will take as carry here. 4 I will take as carry for the next. Next, now 8 sevens are. First 8 6 are completed. Now I am multiplying with 8 sevens are. Very good. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 56 and this carry is there. Now we will add that. 8 sevens are 56 and add the carry. 56 and 4. 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 you got it now. In 60 again, 56 and 4. 56 and 4 will be 60. In 60 again what should we write? Only one digit you will write here. In 60, 60, only 0 only we will write here. And 6 is what again? Carry. The 6 carry you should write here. Now, again now what is left here? 8 into 4. 8 4s are 8 4s are 32. But not 32 directly. One more carry is there here. 6 is there carry. 32 and 6. 32, 8 4s are 32 and 6. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. But here one more number is not there. So stop, last completed. That's why totally you write here 38. Like this you will do the multiplication. This is the another method. This is the splitting method and this is the multiplication by table. Both are same only, but we will write this one like this, that one like that. So now, which is better for you, that you will follow. If you want to learn this method, you follow this method. If you want to follow this method, you can follow that method. Okay? So this is one example. I am going to explain one more example to you. So these all examples I said to you, after completing, compulsory watch the video. Yesterday homework also I think only 2-3 members sent to me homework. Remaining did not send. Okay, you continue like that only. I will come with the stick to your home. 3-4 sticks I will bring to your home. Then I will show what I want once is up. You are neglecting, no? Neglect. Arman, you are saying voice is not coming. Okay, I said to you, if any disturbances are there here, compulsory you need to watch the video. Watch the video and then you complete the homework. Okay? Okay, and one more example I will explain you. So one 3-digit number with another number. Say one 3-digit number. You say one 3-digit number for me. You say one 3-digit number for me. 3-digit. Very good. 326 into 9 we will do. 326 into 9. Okay, first of all, what should we do? We will split 326 with what number? With 9. Okay. So you will multiply like this, I said to you. How? 9 3s are 27, 2 zeros. 9 2s are 18, 1 0. 9 6s are 54. Now what should we do? We should add the numbers. First 1000, 2000. Next hundreds. 700, 100 will be 800. 700, 100 will be 800. Next tens. 80, 50. 80, 50, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 130. 130. That 100 where should I write here? 100 means it will become 900. 930. Now ones. Finally ones are what? Only 4. So 2934. One more method. What is one more method? You know that. 326 into 9. First, you will multiply with 9 with ones place starting. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So what should you do? 54 directly out, right? No, what should you do? 5 carry 4 here. Okay. Next, 9 2s are 18. Not 18. Carry you should add compulsory. 18 and 5. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 means what should we do? Direct 23 shall I write?
No.
2 carry 3 here. Next 9 threes are 27, but carry also is there. 27, 29. So we will write here directly last because one more number not there. No, that's why writing. So 29. So this is the answer. This is the way of multiplying 3-digit number and 1-digit number. 3-digit number and 1-digit number. Okay, do you understand? One more example. More 2 examples I will say. Write these all examples compulsory in your notebook by watching the video.
Okay.
Okay, one more example. Now, Sharanya, you say one 3-digit number.
563.
Very good. 563 into. Shall we multiply in 6?
Yes.
Okay. First, what should we do? Splitting. 563. We multiply with 6.
6.
Multiply 6 5s are 30 and 2 zeros. 6 6s are 36 and 1 0. 6 3s are 18. Okay, now first, when you are counting, what should we do? We will take the thousands first. How many thousands are there? 3 thousands are there. How many hundreds are there? Here no hundreds. Here only 3. 3 hundreds. Tens. Here no tens. Here 60 and 10. 70. 100 is not there. Only 70. Ones. Only 8 ones are there. Okay. Another method. When you go for another method, what is another method? 563 into 6. Say read. 6 3s are 18. 18 means 1 carry 8 here. 6 6s are 36 and this one will be 37. 37 means what you will do? 3 carry 7 here. 6 5s are 30 and this one 3. 33. Okay? Clear? One more example. We will discuss one more example. But you say to me, what is the method you are thinking to follow? Which method do you want to follow? First or second? Second method you want to follow. Okay, what is best for you, that only you can follow. You decide yourself. Sir, I will follow first one, I will follow second one. But one thing is there, who will follow the first bit, they can do the mathematics in brain. That multiplications in brain also you can do. But not now only it is not possible to you. Up to 6th class it will be possible for you. But second method you can follow. But first method if you are following, it will be given to you short. Is brain mathematics. It is in brain only we do, not using pen and paper. But it will be habitual for you up to 6th class. Up to 6th class. Okay, and one more. 852 into 7. 852 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 2 zeros. 7 5s are 35. 1 0. 7 2s are 14. Okay, now first thousands. 5,000. Hundreds. 600, 300 will be 900. Tens. 50 and 10. 50 and 10 will be 60. Ones. 4. Okay, now another method, direct method, 852 into 7. 7 twos are 14. Compulsory you should come from ones place only. Remember that, don't misuse. Ones place only. 7 twos are 14. 1 carry 4 here. 7 fives are 35. 35 and 1 will be 36. That's why 3 carry 6 here. 7 eights are 56. 56 and 3 will be 59. So this is the way of multiplication with 3-digit number and 1-digit number. So you all of you write down these all compulsory in your notebook. And now homework I will explain. So what is the homework? Homework is page number 55. Page number 55, second bit. How many problems are there? 8 problems are there. Same now number, page number 56, third bit. How many are there? 4 are there. 4 verbal problems, only problems, not the answers. 4 verbal problems. And now I explain the multiplication mode to you. 2 ways of multiplication. Like this, 5 more questions, 5 more multiplications. 5 more multiplications. This you multiply with 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, you know. But 3-digit number, 1 number. 3-digit number, 1-digit number. Like that, how many? 4 questions. 5 more questions. How many? 5. And compulsory 2 methods also. You should do in 2 methods also. Not only 1 method. First method, second method. First method, second method. In 2 methods also you have to do. In 2 methods. In 2 methods. So this is the homework for you. Homework on 3011. Okay, I will send this photo also in the WhatsApp. I am sending now what I recorded in the today class and that this photo. These both I will send to you. Okay? Do you understand? Will you follow? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. But don't neglect the homework. If you neglect, I will be in your home with lot of sticks I am saying to you. Okay? You know, in lockdown, locks will break. Like that I will beat. Be careful. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.